and a very warm welcome. I'm just about to record for you a very short summary of our Improvers Solo Samba, that's Ballroom Samba, practice routine number 2. So this was taught in our full 90-minute class on Monday the 18th of April 2022. So if you're looking in my full video library, you want the 18th of April 22, and that will give you the full class. Here is a very short summary. I'm going to face the front. So we started with our right foot for a little backwards movement. Back, T-tum, forwards left, forwards, T-tum. Whisk-in, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Little underarm turn, 1 and 2, whisk, T-tum. We then added a promenade walk facing our right wall, 1 and 2. And then a little stationary sidewalk, 1 and 2. We then did volters round in a circle, volters 2 and 3 and 4. Left foot side, 1 and 2. Right foot side, 1 and 2. Left foot voga, 1 and 2 with a rhythm bounce. 1, 2. And again. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. And then we did a side whisk again, 1 and 2 with a second rhythm bounce. 1 and 2. There's our little side point. We then headed off into the corner for some little closed rocks. Forwards, rock, rock. Forwards, rock, rock. Okay? Sorry, I'm disappearing into the side there. So let's do all of that a little bit quicker. I'll call out the timing. 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2, 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 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. 1, rock, rock, 1, rock, rock. There we go, guys. Like I said, it was just a very short summary. Improvers Solo practice routine number 2. Keep practicing, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.